Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting chapter number 1, Introduction to Scratch, right? So what is Scratch? Scratch is a software which is used to create designs, stories, video games, and so many things. It's a best software designed especially for the kids because it is very easy to use. You can create interactive stories, animation, games, music, art, everything with the help of Scratch. So it's an educational programming language. It's a programming language also. If you will learn this language, you will be able to grow in the field of programming. So it's a programming language. It is developed for kids and it is easy to use. And the most important thing is it is free of cost available. So you can download it in your computers, laptops, free of cost. No need to pay anything. Okay, now in Scratch is understanding programming language. What is programming language? कंप्यूटर एज वी ऑल नो कंप्यूटर इज अ मशीन. तो कंप्यूटर जो है वो अपने आप काम नहीं करता. कोई भी मशीन अपने आप काम नहीं करती. वी नीड टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द कंप्यूटर, देन ओनली कंप्यूटर वर्क्स. So we need to give the commands to the computer, orders to the computer, then only computer works. So giving commands to the computer that are written in computer language, computer की language को use करके, जैसे कि आप लोग हिंदी बोल सकते हो, English बोल सकते हो, that these are the two languages which you can understand, but computer cannot understand English and Hindi. So as far as computer is concerned, computer can understand languages like basic, logo, Scratch, C++, Java. All these languages computer can understand. So you need to give commands to computer in these languages only. So in this chapter, we will learn Scratch, and using Scratch, we will give instructions to the computer. We will give commands to the computer, and then computer will work accordingly. Now, why we are learning Scratch? Because there are so many other softwares or other computer languages also, which computer can understand. So why we are learning only Scratch? Because it is very interactive. You can create stories, you can create animations, you can create art, music, games, everything with the help of Scratch. And it is very easy to learn also. Now, how to open the Scratch window? So once you have installed the Scratch in your computer or in your mobile phone, then you can open the Scratch. So first we will learn how to download the Scratch. So in your class group, I have shared these two links. One is the link to download Scratch 3 for mobile phone from the below link. You have to click on this link. Your Play Store will open and then you can download the application. For mobile users, you have to click on this link, right? And for the users who wanted to download it in computer or laptops, they have to click on this link. Now I am clicking on this link. Once you will click on this link, this window will appear. Now here you have to go down and you have to click on this direct download button. Click on this button, automatically Scratch will start downloading in your computer. Once it will be downloaded, जब ये downloading complete हो जाएगी, once it will get complete, you can double click on this and you can execute the file. Double click on the file and run it. It will automatically get installed into your computer. So we can check how to install already, because I have already installed Scratch in my computer. So I will not be able to follow all the steps, but definitely I'll follow few steps in the beginning so that you can understand. Okay, it is done now. We can check. Open file. So you have to choose this option. Anyone who uses this computer, what it is asking, you wanted to install this application, this software only for you or anyone who use your computer. So you have to choose this option, anyone who uses this computer, and then click on install button. So automatically Scratch 3 will be installed in your computer. Okay, now it is showing Scratch 3 setup complete finish. Now it will open in front of you like this. So what you have to do is, now how can you open it? Go to the start button, find out the Scratch program from here. Here it is. Click on this and Scratch will open in front of you like this. This is a Scratch screen, right? So this is how you can install it in computer and open it. And in phone also, it is very easy. Everybody know how to download an application. You can click on the link which I told you, which I have provided you in your class group. This is the link. So you can click on this link and then you can use it. Right now, let's continue. So how to open Scratch, this we have already seen. Now, what are the different parts of the screen that we have to understand? Okay. So in Scratch window, this area is called as stage. Here you have to make all your drawings. और आपको अगर game बनानी है तो वो भी यहाँ पर आएगी. So here this window is called as stage. This is what is this cat here on the stage? What this cat is doing on the stage? This cat is called as sprite. इसको हम बोलते हैं sprite. All the characters on the stage are called as sprite. If you will add some other characters also, like let's say I am adding a background first. So blue sky, I have chosen blue background. You can click on this button to add a background. This is a button to add a background. You can click on this and choose a background which you wanted to add, right? Okay, now I wanted to add a sprite also. Iske cat ke alawa I wanted to add something else also. Let's say the cat is playing with the ball, so I can add a ball here, right? So these are two sprites on the stage now. Earlier we were having only one sprite and now we have two sprites on the stage, right? So this is how from this button you can add the sprites on the stage. From this button you can change the background or you can add a background on the stage, right? So next is, now what is this? These are called as blocks using which you can start the coding. Coding we will not use in this class. We will learn how to do coding in class 4. So right now you just have to insert a background and then insert a sprite, and using this you can also create you can create it as a story form, like it's a background, a bedroom. I am deleting these two sprites. I am adding something else. I will add a girl. Okay, let's say angel. One angel is standing here and she's talking to a girl. So girl is sitting on her bed. Now, how do I make her sit on her bed? Go to the costume. These are the different positions of the girl. You can select the second one. So girl is sitting on her bed and this angel suddenly appears in front of girl and she will talk to the girl. So you can narrate a story like this, and then we will also learn how these sprites will speak. So one by one we will learn everything. Right now you just have to do the designing, right? Okay, so I hope everybody has got. This is known as stage. The characters which you are adding are called as sprite, and this is costume, from where you can change the colors, you can change uh you can increase or decrease the size of the increase and decrease the size of your sprites also, like this. You can decrease the size, right? Okay, from the code area, these are the blocks using which you can give movement. You can make these sprites speak. And this area is called as the script area. Script area means जहाँ पर आप coding करोगे, you will give commands to the computer and accordingly your computer will work then. ठीक है, तो this area is dotted area is called as script area. So these were the different parts of the screen. Now, creating the first sprite. We have already seen how to create a first sprite. Now what we have to do is we have to give motion. We have to give motion to the sprite. So let's say this girl will move, this angel will move and come near to this girl. Okay, and say, hello Ria. Let's say the name of the girl is Ria. तो ये आएगी आगे और बोलेगी hello Ria. ठीक है, तो let's create a program. We will first choose event. Event में we have a block when flag is clicked. तो ये वाला ब्लॉक हम यूज करेंगे when flag is clicked, यानी कि जब ये ग्रीन फ्लैग पे कोई क्लिक करेगा. दिस इज फॉर गो एंड दिस इज फॉर स्टॉप. तो जब कोई ग्रीन फ्लैग पे क्लिक करेगा तब ये एंजल मूव करेगी. तो go to motion and move. How many steps? I will add 20 steps. जब कोई बटन पे क्लिक करेगा, this angel will move 20 steps, right? And then she will say hello. तो hello वाला block जो होगा, that will be available in looks. So I am using this block. Say hello. Let's say the name of the girl is Ria. So I am writing here Ria. Inside this white area, you can write also hello Ria. Okay, now let's play this. Hello Ria. 20 steps are too less for this angel. So we can write here 80 steps. Okay, now let's start. Hello Ria. So these are 80 steps for the angel. You can also increase more number of steps like 100. Hello Ria, like this. I hope it is clear to everyone. So we have created a small script in which an angel and a girl is standing, and not both are talking to each other, but angel is calling to the girl, right? Now this, I have already shown you how to add a sprite. Now let's understand how to delete a sprite which you have already taken, but now you don't want to use. Let's say if I have already added this balloon, but now I don't wanted to use this balloon. So how can I delete this balloon? You have to click on the balloon here. Here all the sprites are coming, which you have added in your on your stage. Now click on balloon and automatically this bin sign will appear at the top. You can click on this button and the sprite will be deleted from the stage, right? Next is, now we have already learned how to delete the sprite, how to change the background also we have seen, how to change the color and size of the sprite. Size of the sprite I have already shown you how to change the size of the sprite. Let's say I wanted to make this Ria bigger now. So click on Ria, go to costume, move your cursor like this around Ria. Now stretch it. You can stretch it, you can make it smaller one, or whatever the way you want, like, right? So this is how you can increase or decrease the size. Now how to change the color? I wanted to change the color of this fairy now, this angel. Skin color I wanted to change. So go to the costume, choose a color. Okay, I wanted to give this color to the angel. Choose the color. Now go to the bucket tool, fill tool, and use that color. Click on one by one on all the parts of angel which you wanted to change. You can make it little bigger also. If you are not able to do it like this, you can make it bigger. And then you can do the changes. Now I wanted to change the color of the wings which she has. So let's choose a new color for the wings. I wanted to give a purple color to the wings. You can also change the color of the dress she's wearing. I hope it is clear to everyone. How can you change the colors of the sprite? Next is, we have already learned now how to change the color and size of the sprite. Now, how to save your project after completing it. So once we have done with everything, we have done all the changes. So let's say now you wanted to save this project. So go to file, click on save your project, save to your computer, give a name. I am giving a name Angel and Ria. Choose the location where you wanted to save. So I am saving it in class 3 folder. And click on save button. Now let's check. Close this file. Close this file, leave and open it again now. How to open it again? First open Scratch. First open the Scratch software. Now go to file, click on load from your computer. Now choose the project which you have created and click on open. The project will open like this again. I hope it is clear to everyone how to do that.